The Super Bowl's coming up and I have the perfect dip for you. It is this Italian sausage and cheese dip, and the cleanup was super easy thanks to FryAway. You can get FryAway from your local Kroger, and FryAway transforms your cooking oils into solid. So first we're going to take our Italian sausage and cook that all up. Once that is cooked, you will remove it, put it into another dish, and start sprinkling your FryAway into the hot grease. Stir that together and set that aside while you're finished making your dip. You're going to take a block of cream cheese, diced tomatoes, and stir that together. Then you'll take mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mix that in. I added some garlic powder and then sprinkled the rest of the cheese over top of it. Put it in the oven at 450 until it is golden brown. It took me about 10 minutes. Now your grease is a solid and you can just toss it into the trash. It makes it so easy to clean up. And now we took the dip out of the oven and it was so good. We paired it with bread and tortilla chips. The cleanup would not have been this easy if it wasn't for FryAway, so you guys definitely need to give it a try. I promise you, you will love it.